Wow, I made $10. Okay, let's pack up and start the day. Put the bread in the bag. Okay, we're ready to go now. Do 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 do. Oh no, what is that? Oh no! Help! Hey Cookie Monsters! Today I will be showing you several ways to quickly retrieve your age-up potions. First, let's start off with items that would be great to have in your inventory. Tradable items. Yes, that means these items are tradable. You can get them through trades or you can go buy them yourselves. These behind me are tents, big tents and a small tent. As you can see, you can place them anywhere just in case you're not near a home, and you can use it for a quickly done sleep task for your pet or for a baby. Next up, we have location. Yes, that's right, locations. Locations are very important, especially when grinding. If you go, you will see around the map, Adopt Me have 5 highlighted white glowing spots you can buy with Robux. The one in the front by the hospital is the best. In this quick 10 seconds, I will speed place all the located areas. Oh, looky! Crystal is hungry for a snack. What does that mean? Food! Let's head to the grocery store. Hello, Justin. Okay, so we're going to get 100 water bottles. Click, 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 click. Yes, we need 100 for your pet so you won't have to go get more. Then we will walk right over and get 100 apples. Yes, 100 apples. We've made it down to areas to teleport. Areas to teleport is kind of like locations but slightly different. You can equip a door. A door will take you to your house anywhere, anytime. If you don't have, you can buy with Robux or you can trade for them. The magic door is very great for grinders. Behind the door, you must have a grind area, a grind farm where you can take care of all your pets. A big enough space or a small space is okay too. Just have at least 1 shower, 1 litter box, 1 bed, 1 piano, and 1 food area. Then you can teleport to gifts. Gifts helps you get to the school fast, the hospital fast, or just the center itself if you just want to chill. Now you can teleport to toy shop. Toy shop also helps you get to tasks fast too. It helps you get to the salon task. As you can see, it was just right there. You walk over and you get to the pizza shop to the pizza party. That task. These are the orange tasks. And these are great and fast ways to go. You can also walk on over to the playground if you want, or you can teleport to the stroller shop and just walk out and come to the park. This spot I will take you all next requires VIP. If you have Robux, I assure you to get it right away. This is the VIP area, very roomful. Not very needable, but it improved my quickness in doing tasks and grinding with my pets. So I do recommend this area. Yes. This area lets you do shower tasks on pets fast if you want to just vibe in the middle of town. Yes, you can do that here in the VIP area. They also have a VIP lounge if you just want to role play or just chill, and they also have the retire eggs located in this area if you ever want to buy it yourself, but you also can still get them through trade. Now I will speed play me leveling up Crystal using some methods in this video. While we waiting for next task, another good item I use to get around are hyperspeed potions. And there you have it, Cookie Monsters. Yay, we officially have gotten an age up pod. And that's how you quickly get unlimited age up pod. See you all in the next video. Remember, stay spark.